Attention, this is an urgent transmission brought to you by the Quadrality of Myday in collaboration with the Stormwatchers Syndicate. Citizens of Myday, brace yourselves for the arrival of the malevolent Sirocco Cycluxion. A cycluxion is a unique atmospheric anomaly, resembling a hurricane yet distinguished by sustained tornadic winds within its core. This enigmatic storm, known for its malevolent tendencies, can be inhabited by spirits, adding an ethereal and foreboding element to its already fearsome nature. From data provided by the Stormwatchers Syndicate, we know that the storm is named Sirocco, and is a major cycluxion that has been developing in the Great Myday expanse, and is expected to make landfall shortly. Sirocco has been rated a magnitude 8 storm, and its danger level is high. The eye of Sirocco has a wind speed of -20, the core has wind speeds ranging at 380 miles per hour, the middle part of the storm has sustained winds of 120 miles per hour, and the walls of the storm have wind speeds of 70 miles per hour. As it makes landfall on Gardania and Heartland, it will head southeast at a relentless 90 miles per hour, crossing directly over Heartland, Procyon, Western Centric, and Marshland. The storm will also affect northeastern Montania, East Neutral, Aurora, and Arteria, exiting Myday through Marshland and Arteria. It will persist, dissipating over the southern Connexus. The recommended actions are imperative for survival. You must evacuate any of the affected areas, fortify homes and businesses, and do not look outside under any circumstances until the all-clear message has been broadcasted. If one finds themselves in a position in which it is necessary to leave shelter, it is crucial that you avoid interaction with any solid lights spread throughout the field or horizon, any out-of-place plants or plants that have moved places since before the storm, any corpses or screams for help, any form of creeping roots and vortexins, which commonly take their victims before they know of their presence. Again, this is an urgent transmission brought to you in collaboration by the Quadrality of Myday and the esteemed Stormwatchers Syndicate. Citizens of Myday, brace yourselves for the arrival of Sirocco. Seek shelter immediately, the tempest approaches with a relentless force.